My ceiling fan rotates counterclockwise every Sunday. The pull chain does not turn with the blades. 1970s ranch house. Original brass fan. Original chain. I keep it on low all summer. Noticed last June. Sunday afternoon. Blades going the wrong direction. Check the housing switch. Set to summer. Cut the power at the breaker. Blades kept turning. Chain perfectly still. Removed the chain Sunday morning. Tools on the floor. Monday the chain was reattached. Same notch. Same length. Replaced the entire fan with a new one. The new fan reverses every Sunday too. Chain still. The old brass fan is in the garage. I can hear it spinning out there too.